My name is Dyan Ferman. I'm CEO of Genius One, and we are manufacturer of lifestyle cannabis products. Our main product is called Genius Pipe, and I'm going to take a moment and explain what's Genius about Genius Pipe. So it is a reinvented pipe where everything that's been lacking in the pipe you would now find in this robust, modern, unbreakable lifestyle warranty device. So essentially, you would see that it comes just fairly simple with the bowl here and the mouthpiece here. So you could normally light it like a normal pipe you would. You would light it with a lighter and you would breathe it in. But the genius of this is in the technology that is inside of it. When you open it up just like so, you will see that this pattern here, and this pattern is specifically been designed to cool and filter your smoke. So essentially, by the time your smoke would pass from your bowl to your mouthpiece right here, it will be cool and filtered, so much like in a water pipe, but without water. This would give you a few advantages which you cannot replicate it in any other devices, be that water pipe, vaporizer, hand pipe, glass pipes, or whatever else. And this being that you get the full terpene profile of every strain, which is pretty unique. And that's why growers, obviously connoisseurs and consumers use this device so much. So this is basically the gist of the pipe itself, but then it comes with a lot of different accessories that makes it so unique and user-friendly. One of the most popular would be the slider. You could just put it on top and just have a very portable device. You could light it up and just shut it off like this. And also there is
you can use it with flour or to dab.
There's much more to it. There's other devices that comes with the product. Like this, for example, has got grinder and the load pick and a whole debit device. So this is for people that are introduced into vaporizing on a higher level, but don't want to use batteries, don't want to use cord. Hey, their vaporizer is breaking every 2.5 weeks. This is a lifetime warranty piece that actually is a vaporizer on steroid, meaning that it gets you into the highest, most advantage temperature of 710 degrees. Just as part of all lifestyle experience, we have Genius Backpack, which is a pretty popular product. It's smell-proof, waterproof, and drop-proof. It's got incredible padding for our products. So the idea is every product that we have, you could safely carry with you. The cleaner, the spray that removes all the odor on submolecular level in 15 seconds. If you ever have any pain or ache, this would reduce your pain in 15 seconds. So everything that you want, you could pack it in here.
Flour or dabbing.
All the different devices, you pack it together with your wallet and whatever else on your phone. So in this adventure called life, you never know, especially now, when you're going to end up next day. This is when you could carry all your gear, and it's not going to smell. It's not going to be affected when it drops. If you leave it like in the rain overnight, everything's going to be dry. So this is just part of overall unique experiences that you only can get with the Cannabis brand. So for 2022, we have a couple of pretty exciting things that we are working on. One being that we have a pretty decent base that we're proud of 250,000 users that routinely and almost religiously use our pipes every day because they're so portable and they give you all this flavor and smoothness of the smoke. So this year we're going to be promoting more of different accessories like this one for your oils or the potty bowl for your bigger intake, and also a lot of different smoking blends, TNC and CBD and otherwise. So we're going to be creating a lot of different concoctions with different huge, I would say, artists in the space. And this is what excites me the most this year. Besides this, I want to mention that whoever is following us and following our currency, Genius Karma, I just want to mention that all the users of Genius Pipes, if you haven't registered your pipe, you could just open your pipe right here, go over with your phone, and it will take you to a personal social page of this pipe, and it will reward you your first karma, which you can then go and redeem in our karma store at geniuspipe.com for different products that you could only get through the store. All the new launches that we're going to be doing with all the different accessories and different flavors, they're all going to be going through this Genius Karma store, so you could go and redeem it there. So the first entrance would be opening your pipe, scan the code, and welcome. So you could find us on the internet through geniuspipe.com, or just do hashtag GeniusPipe and any of your platforms, you could quickly find us.